Hi, and welcome back to Live Well with Dr. Mel. I'm Dr. Mel, licensed physical therapist and holistic health coach. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have such a treat for you today. In this video, we're going to dive into an ancient energy healing modality, Qigong. It will be led by a 91-year-old certified Qigong specialist, Edwige, and she'll be alongside Lamont, who has been studying Qigong for 20 plus years. So let's get started.
Guillain-Barré. I don't know whether you know Guillain-Barré. Guillain-Barré is a nerve disorder. And my wife suggested that I go meet this teacher, and 20 years later, I've been doing Qigong. This good lady here came to my class at the Edge.
Yeah.
And she was
2006.
She wanted to be invigorated, and she wanted to climb Mount Pichu. She did.
Wow.
So she came, and since then we have been together. I just wanted to come and introduce myself to you, and to introduce you to Edwige, and she is already on a roll, and I don't want to take any more time except to say a few things about the reason I have done Qigong, and that my medical condition, I had an operation on my shoulder the 17th of August. It was a full shoulder replacement. And the repercussions were a number of things, and one is my lack of stability walking. But I am a firm believer in this mind-body medicine. One of my teachers writes a book, and the title of the book is The Healer Within. And the strong belief is that those of us who do Qigong believe that we have an incredible capacity to harness the energy within. We need complementary medicine. We need all the doctors and all the PTs and everything. But there is an element within us, each one of us has an incredible amount of energy. And so I call it mind-body medicine. The Chinese put out a book some years ago, and they said there are thousands of forms of Qigong. Okay, just a few things about Qigong, and then I'll let this good lady take over. One of my teachers taught me an expression in Chinese, and my pronunciation in Chinese may not be great, but the lesson is Yi Dao Qi Dao. It means where the mind goes, the energy will follow. And it is so fundamental to everything we do. When we get up in the morning, if we say this day is going to be awful, it's likely to be awful. So the positive mindset is really important. But it works. It's just incredible. So Yi Dao Qi Dao means where the mind goes, the Qi will follow. And so when Edwige is talking, she's sending an intention, and you just open your mind to the possibilities. Our mind, our world isn't open to possibilities. So much of it is negative. So this group is an opportunity for us to just open ourselves to the possibilities of healing.
Qi Gong is an ancient Chinese modality, over 5,000 years old, which the Chinese realized that besides veins and arteries, we also have energy, okay? So there is energy all over the world. Now it's granted, but years ago that was a novelty when we talked about that. So the energy that we have, this will be for the energy, there is energy from below, which is from nurturing Mother Earth, and that's the female energy, the gentle, nurturing energy. That's called the yin energy. And there is the yang, oh, he's already here. And there's already the yang energy from the star, from the, which is the male energy, the strong energy. And we are the rod between the two. So we are going to be gathering from Mother Earth and from above. We left our baggage out of the door and we come here to nurture ourselves. My motto is don't torture yourself, nurture yourself. Okay, so we are here to get invigorated and also find a peaceful, live with a peaceful mind. Okay, so now the breathing. Qigong breathing, you exhale. Oh, by the way, it's a wonderful. Who normally, when you breathe, who breathes, inhales from the breast, from the chest?
Well, one way to check it is to put a hand on the chest and a hand, just put this, and just begin to breathe normally. And decide which hand is moving.
Yeah. Who breathes from the top? Inhales.
We're used to. I think we all have a problem doing that. Right?
But so in Qigong, we are going to pull in, tighten up slightly. Nothing is rough in Qigong. You slightly tighten your abdominal muscles as you exhale. You exhale the stale air, and then you let go of your abdominal muscles and inhale. So put your hands on your tummy, and again, exhale the stale air. Now always inhale through the nose, because we have these little I don't know the term for it. Filters, yeah. Okay, so exhale as you tighten, and then let go as you inhale, and then again in your mind, feel the air, not only from your belly, but your whole trunk, going up your lungs, and exhale again, gently. Inhale and exhale. Now to train yourself, you can count, let's say 5 times up and then 5 times down, and then the best is to take longer to exhale than to inhale. Okay, so you can inhale for 5 and then you train 6, 7, 8, you can do that on your own. Okay, so here we are. What I would like to do with you now is to do some shaking. Okay, shaking is great. So you could start, some teachers start with the legs, some teachers start with the wrists, and then the elbows, and the shoulders, and now it's up to you. Some days, you want to get going strong, and some days, you're not up to it. But do some shaking. Okay, this is excellent. People, that's good for longevity too. By the way, I'm going to be 92 in a few weeks. So you see Qigong, I'm the proof that Qigong. So imagine you're a little kid in the playground. So you could shake again, as you see, as I'm did. I will demonstrate both. If you're tired sometime, okay. And then the benefit when you're sitting down, you can even lift your shoulder, because underneath, keep shaking, underneath our feet, there are many points, but there's a very important point, which is right here at that level, which is the kidney point. So we energize, you see. So when you're aware of what you're doing, it gives you that third dimension. So again, and then if you want to laugh, shout, and whatever.
Or you can do a blither.
And then just shoulders. You can even just shake your legs, whichever. But if some part hurts, don't go there. Okay. Okay. So we could do it a long time, but at least in 1 minute. Even when you're at home. When I am boiling my soft-boiled eggs, I stand in front and wait for my 3 minutes. I'm here shaking or waiting for the toaster. You know, I do my shaking. Yes, because what you're doing, you are loosening up the chest. That membrane that holds the muscles, that holds the fascia. You hold the fascia. So that's good. So you're in. Yes, you can go to the front and in the back and on the side and up and down and around with your knees and obviously. Just give it a good shake. Okay. A little bit more. One more. And up and down. Okay. And stop suddenly. You should feel the tingling at the tip of your fingers. So this is the energy, of course the blood, but the energy is there. Spread it again. Use your mind. Spread that energy through every cell of your body. Spread it all over. Your bone marrow, every cell, your bones, your muscles, everywhere. Spread it around and breathe it in. Shoulders relax. Now you know to relax your shoulders, you can lift them and let them go. Lift them, let them go. You can do also this way if you prefer. Okay, one more here, yeah. But I like that one, and yeah, you feel as if you had bricks on your shoulders. Let go. So now we can go to that Lao Gong point that I was telling you, and Lamont was telling you. So let's rub our hands again. Yes. Now if you want to sit down, you can sit down, but we are going to feel the energy. Oh yeah. So
Master Ping, with whom Edwige has studied a lot, calls this the instant Qi. And after you start doing this, you say, wow, you know, I've got that Qi right there.
So we have that Qi, and then we are going to pump the lower dantian. So keep your hands at the lower dantian, and then you slightly open. It dissipates a little bit, so bring it back. Open and close. Open. And think about your energy. We are energizing the lower dantian. You can go wider and wider, but gently, slowly, as if you were playing the concertina as an imagery. Now bring it smaller again and bring that energy to your heart level. And now we can energize that level. Think about your heart.
This is opening the heart mind.
And now bring that up to the third eye, between your eyebrows. Open your mind. Open your creativity.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the content that we shared today. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to respond below. I'll be happy to reply. As always, stay healthy and well, and take care.